My family. I am Mohit. मोहित मोहित तेरी फैमिली में मेंबर कितने हैं? आई एम 7 years old. आई एम इन क्लास सेकंड. आई लिव विद माई पेरेंट्स. आई हैव ए सिस्टर टू. हर नेम इज़ सुगोना. शी इज़ 6 years old. शी इज़ इन class 1. We go to school together. My father is farmer. He works on the farm. He grows rice and vegetables. He works very hard. My mother is a teacher. She teaches small children. Our house is neat and clean. My father helps my mother. They cook good food for us after we do our homework. Sugona and I play outside the house. Our parents watch us play. How old is Mohit? Who is Suguna? How old is Suguna? In which class do the children study? What does Mohit's father do? What does Mohit's father grow? What is the Mohit mother? Let's try this. Form word with the sets of letter given in the boxes below the pictures. With the help the words are formed from the lesson. Rice, house, farm, food. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Mohit father is a farmer. Sugona is Mohit sister. The house is neat and clean. Mohit mothers is a teacher. After doing their homework, Mohit and Sugona go to play. When you hear the word food, what are the things that come you? Food, rice. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. I am Pintu. I have a brother. We are sister. Sonam live in Assam. Ria go to school. We play in the evening. Listen and repeat. Ship, sheep, sleep, sleep. Fit, feet. Sit, seat. Bit, beat. Oh, makdi.